In recent days, northern Vietnam has been hit by prolonged heavy rains and severe flooding, causing significant damage to both lives and property. Since September 7th, provinces such as Cao Bang, Bac Kan, Yen Bai, Bac Giang, and Thai Nguyen have experienced continuous rainfall, leading to rising river levels and widespread flooding. The damage to both people and assets has left many residents in a dire and tragic situation. Rescue teams are focusing on providing food, water, and essential supplies to people in isolated areas. The 5 No's principle is being implemented to ensure that no one goes hungry, thirsty, lacks medicine, shelter, or that students are out of school for an extended period. The government and relevant authorities have mobilized the entire political system to ensure the safety of the population and to address the consequences of this natural disaster. Thank you for watching the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos.